In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team project, keeping track of events, or organizing personal tasks, having a calendar makes it so much simpler to visualize everything in one place. So let's dive in, and I'll show you how to set up a calendar view in just a few easy steps. First things first, make sure you're on the board where you want to add a calendar view. This could be any project board you've created in Monday.com. Look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a row of tabs labeled as View tabs. These tabs help you customize how you see your data, making it possible to switch between different perspectives seamlessly. Now, what you're looking for is the plus icon, which might resemble a small plus symbol. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the plus icon, you'll be presented with various view options to enhance your board. What we're interested in here is the calendar view. So select the calendar option from the available views. Once you've done that, just like magic, your calendar view will appear on the screen. It's as simple as that. Now, the wonderful thing about this calendar view is how effortlessly it integrates with the timelines or any date-related data you've already entered on your main table. Let's say you have project deadlines, client meetings, or task milestones listed with specific dates. The calendar view will automatically pull that information and create a visual representation of your schedule. This means you don't have to manually input each event or deadline again, saving you time and reducing the potential for errors. By having a clear and organized calendar view, you can quickly identify what's coming up on your schedule and ensure that no tasks fall through the cracks. Plus, visualizing timelines is particularly helpful for managing long-term projects or multi-phase tasks, as you can see all relevant dates at a glance. And there you have it. In just a couple of quick steps, you've turned your Monday.com board into a calendar that dynamically represents all your important dates and timelines. This not only helps in keeping you organized, but also enhances collaboration within teams, as everyone can stay updated and aligned on upcoming events and deadlines. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And now you're ready to make the most out of your Monday.com experience by utilizing the calendar view. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.